Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this like simple glam makeup for you. It's super easy to do and like super quick if you just want like a quick glam, you know. Not too much on the eyes, but like you got glitter, so it's a glam. If you enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. And if you want to see how to get this simple glam makeup, then please just keep on watching. For my primer, I'm using my Too Faced Hangover RX. I'm just gonna put that everywhere, obviously. And on my face, I'm gonna be using my IT Cosmetics CC cream in the shade medium. I love wearing this during the summer because it has SPF 50 in it. And that means that's one less step. For concealer, I'm just using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Super tired today, so if I'm like blah, that's why. Okay, and to set under my eyes, I'm going to be baking. I'm just taking my Kat Von D translucent powder and I'm going to bake. I'm gonna bake my smile lines as well. Bronze and contour today, I'm taking my Anastasia contour kit. And to bronze, I'm going to be using this shade. I think it's called Havana. I'm also gonna be taking the shade Fawn right here. It's like gone. On like a blending brush, like this. And like putting that in the hollows of my cheekbones. And I'm also going to be putting that under my jaw as well, but on a bigger brush. And I'm also going to take that on a really tiny brush, a pencil brush, and put that under my lip. And then I'm going to wipe away the bake. And I'm going to take that yellow shade and put it under my eyes. Highlight today, I'm taking my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here called White Sand Rose Gold. I love. I'm gonna put that on the high points of my face. Just gonna do another simple look today. This is more like a get ready with me than a tutorial. So sorry about it if you don't like that. First shade I'm going to take is Orange Soda from Anastasia Beverly Hills as my transition. And then I'm taking the shade Burnt Orange from Anastasia. And I'm going to put that in my outer corner and in my crease. Like deep in my crease though, not up. And then we're going to be taking this shade right here. I think it's called Pink Silk. I think it's from Makeup Geek. Like, sorry, I don't remember. And I'm gonna just be putting that on like the inner 2/3 of my lid just to like clean it up a bit. Got a little carried away with those shadows, you know? For the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking a mixture of Orange Soda and Burnt Orange from Anastasia. And then I'm going to take this Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Smoky Storm. And I'm going to be taking that on like a blending brush kind of. And putting that on my inner corners. Oh Lord, that's dark. I'm going to put that down as a base because it's super dark. I thought it was lighter than this. And I'm going to be taking this MAC pigment in the shade English Gilt. It looks like this. And I'm just going to put that over top. I just like hate when you put glitters on in your inner corner and like you looking straight on. And right here, it looks super dark. You know what I mean? I just like, I don't dig that. Now I'm just going to be doing my brows. I'm just brushing them out right now. And I'm just gonna fill in like the tails. I'm also just gonna take this MAC pigment in the shade Vanilla. And I'm gonna just put it like on the dark parts that you see. I would like totally do this on camera, but I can't because I'm awful at wings, like really bad. And I don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'm gonna put on my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and I'll be right back. I stabbed myself in the eye and it really hurt. I like couldn't open it for like a while. Moving on to lips. I'm going to be taking my Rosy Rim lip pencil from MAC and outlining eyelids. For lip gloss, I'm going to be taking my Laura Mercier lip gloss in the shade Bare Baby. Just gonna like dab some of it off. That looked too light. And this is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This look is super simple, but it's like easy glam, you know what I mean? All you have to do is throw a pop of like glitter into your inner corner, and it's gonna look like you put a lot of effort into your makeup when it takes like 10 seconds. And if you're better at a wing than me, it'll be even quicker for you. I'm just like awful at it. So please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and turn on your post notification bells because you don't want to miss when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!